like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have my balance box, and this is a discovery box. And this is a mix of all of their items, from their different boxes. They have a man's lifestyle and a female's lifestyle, snack boxes. They have quite a few of them. This is the balanced one, and they take a few bits out of each of the boxes, so you can just kind of see where you want to be and see how you like it. This box is really reasonable. It's $24.99, and that is seasonal, which means it's winter, spring, summer, and fall. So it's every 3 months. So it's not really that bad, but I have found life-changing items in this box. My insomnia and that. I've tried all kinds of over-the-counter things for my insomnia, and so far this is the only thing that I could ever find that helped in this box. And they do vitamins in some of the boxes, and they do healthy snacks, and this is out of Canada. So they're shipping this internationally for $25. You cannot beat that. I'm sorry, you can't. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And we'll just go through the items one at a time. And it just has a mission card, and it has 20% off if you get a subscription. And the thing on that is balance 20 if one of you wants to use it. So let's just go ahead. Ooh, this is chocolate hazelnut oat milk powder, and it's 3-in-1 smoothie. I have to be careful with this stuff because I can do the protein and all that, but what I can't do is iron. And this has half of your daily allowance in iron, and I can't digest it. So it probably will go to my sister, because she needs something to build muscles with. But I will taste one, and I will put in the description after I taste it. I'm sure it's probably, oh, it's got a scoop in there. I even feel a scoop. So, now what I tend to do, and I hear a lot of people saying, ooh, I hate protein shakes. Well, I usually use, what is it? I keep wanting to say body armor, but I know that's not what it is. But anyway, and I put more milk in it, so it doesn't taste as gritty. Because most of them the chocolate ones are gritty, and that's the only kind I like. Okay, here's broad spectrum SPF 15 coconut vanilla chapstick. And then we have nature cream. What the heck does it say? I don't know, but we're going to look. Huh. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm going to assume it's just like a hand cream, probably. I can't see shit in these glasses anymore. Okay, that's what it looks like. It has no smell, which is good to me, because I don't want it clashing with my perfume. I might have a lotion, I don't want it clashing with my... And I will tell you, this is a good sized protein, and protein's expensive. And then we have Chimes Ginger Chews, chewy ginger candy. Now, ginger is very, very good for nausea, which I have a lot of my disease. Then we have oats and honey, kind healthy grains, chewy with a crunch. And these, I don't know if I'll be able to eat or not. They're gluten-free, but I don't know if I'll be able to eat them or not. Depends on if they have nuts in them. I can't have the nuts. So I'll try one. And then we have apple cider vinegar Renew. And it's Bragg. Let's just open them up. Let's just open it up. I have had that song by Jackson Brown, The Loadout, in my head for 4 days. You don't want to stay. I won't sing it because I'll get copyrighted. But yeah, I like this box. You always get your money's worth plus. I'll be honest with you, that's kind of. And these just look like this. Oops. That's what they look like. So anyway, that's this video. Feel free to like and subscribe. And come on back and join us. Well, people need love too. Bye.